Welcome to week 47 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 46 weeks, I have invested in 5 mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, Parag Flexi Cap Fund, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund. Let's take a quick look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is up 0% with a CAGR of 0%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 7% with a CAGR of 10%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 16% with a CAGR of 26%. Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 14% with a CAGR of 21%. And Invesco India Mid Cap Fund is up 3% with a CAGR of 15%. My overall portfolio is up 5% with a CAGR of 7%. And here's the interesting part. During the same time, Sensex is only up 1.8% with a CAGR of 1.7%. So despite market volatility, disciplined investing has already beaten the market. Coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Invesco India Midcap Fund and I kept the amount exactly the same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees, I invested 1000 rupees again this week. And why I chose Invesco India Midcap Fund again? That's because it has a consistent long-term track record in the midcap space and its portfolio has quality midcap leaders. Remember, wealth is built by staying invested, not by timing the market. If you're enjoying this transparent investing journey, like the video. Comment your thoughts even if you disagree. Share it with someone who wants to learn to invest. And subscribe so you don't miss week 48. That wraps up week 47 of Where Am I Investing? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next week.